Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Prime XBT. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser. And now in the address bar, simply type in primexbt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Prime XBT website. Now you can open up your free account by simply clicking on Open Free Account or the Register button at the top right corner. So just go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken to the sign up page. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials. Just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password. Then click on the I accept button for the terms and conditions, and now you can click on the Register button to sign up for your account. You can also click on Continue with Google to register with a shortcut. Now click on the Register button and you will now be asked to enter your PIN that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from Prime XBT. This email contains your verification PIN code. So just go ahead and copy this code and then paste it into the PIN verification box. Now once you enter the PIN, you will automatically be logged in to your account. Now you will simply need to confirm that you are not a resident of a restricted country by clicking on the button and then click on the Proceed button, and now you can start using Prime XBT. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Prime XBT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.